In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use templates in Monday.com fast and easy. If you're just getting started with Monday.com or you're looking for ways to streamline your workflow, using this robust tool, templates are a fantastic way to kick things off. They allow you to quickly set up a structured workspace tailored to your specific needs, without having to start from scratch every time. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, when you find yourself within your Monday.com workspace and you're ready to add something new, you'll want to begin by clicking the plus Add button in your navigation menu. This is your gateway to expanding your workspace capabilities, and in this instance, we are particularly interested in selecting Choose from Templates. This option opens up a world of possibilities, offering various pre-designed layouts that cater to different needs and scenarios. Now that you've reached the Templates section, you'll find yourself browsing through an organized gallery. Here's where Monday.com gets really exciting. You'll find templates categorized to fit different use cases such as CRM, project management, or HR, among others. Categorization makes it particularly convenient to pinpoint exactly what you need without wading through irrelevant options. If you're managing a team, for example, you might look into project management templates. If you're handling customer relations, then CRM templates will be your go-to choice. Once you've identified the category and specific template that best suits your needs, it's time to bring that template into your workspace. To do this, simply click Use Template. This action will instantly implement the pre-designed layout, task setups, and any automated workflows that come with that template right into your workspace. It's designed to save you both time and effort, letting you focus more on what matters most, getting the job done. After your template has been successfully added to your workspace, your next move is to customize it. Templates are great starting points, but tailoring them to fit your team's unique workflow maximizes their potential. Go ahead and edit the template to align with your projects. You can modify and rename the board to better reflect the tasks and objectives at hand, ensuring clarity for anyone in your team who is collaborating on this board. Whether it's adjusting column names, adding new fields, or reordering sections, feel free to make those changes so the board perfectly adapts to your operational style. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've unlocked the power of Monday.com templates and given your workflow a head start. Exploring templates and customizing them is a fantastic way to enhance efficiency and collaboration in your projects. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful in maximizing your productivity with Monday.com.